How to use OEE Toolkit reports during your daily stand-up. Hi, I'm Rose from Full Fact, and in this video I will talk about daily management and the OEE Toolkit and which reports you can use during your daily stand-up or morning kickoff. Imagine this common scenario on an average day in production environments. During the morning kickoff, people gather around and review the events of the previous day. Typically, events that happened and influenced yesterday's production in any way are reviewed. And this might lead up to discussions about what might have been the cause of these events. Without having data available, or not having correct data about what actually happened, these discussions can lead to wrong conclusions, or no conclusions at all. Does this scenario sound familiar? Then, the next few tips may give you just the insight to help you shift your focus on the real problems that occur during your production shifts. And it will also help you with digging into the root cause of those problems and with reducing or even completely eliminating the occurrences of those problems. 1. Be prepared before attending the meeting. The management report of the production lines show an overview of the production status of the previous day. It gives a direct overview of how the lines performed against targets. It also shows a top 10 of disturbances, planned or unplanned, idles or waiting times. The management report can be emailed to you automatically at a time you choose, so it is available in your mailbox by the time you need it. 2. In order to discuss the problems that occurred, create a detailed shift report or period report of the lines that show anomalies. The shift report gives a more detailed view of the activities that took place during production. It helps you in finding which activities caused problems, addressing the biggest losses. 3. If you want to get insight in the effects of the improvements over a longer period of time, choose the availability or the performance chart, or both, depending on the kind of improvement measures that have been done lately. The availability chart shows a Pareto of time losses, categorized into the 4 main categories of idle times. The performance chart shows a bar chart with the speed losses. And that's it for the tip on how to use OEE Toolkit reports during the daily stand-up. We hope you find this useful, and please contact us if you have more questions. See you next time. Bye bye.